So in this video I'm going to teach you how to make a cube in a cube pattern. Now you can do this on the 2x2 and any of the other higher ordered n×n's, and you can also do it on some shape mods as well. So the algorithm is F, L, F, U prime, R, U, F2, L2, U prime, L prime, B, D prime, B prime, L2 and U. And there is your cube in a cube pattern. Looks quite nice actually, and like I said, you can do it on any of the other higher ordered n×n's. You can see it's been done with this 3x3, and it's also been done with this 8x8 as well. So you get like a cube in a cube on both sides of any of these puzzles, like you can see with these ones as well. And if you try this pattern on some 3x3 shape mods, some of them do actually end up looking really good, like this this mirror blocks one. Then you've got this this barrel one, and this is really good. You've got like a little twisted, looks like a little twisted 2x2, I suppose. That's in the twisted 3x3, and the 2 solution mirror blocks, that's quite good. And this one as well, I really like this one. It kind of looks like some steps or something. So some 3x3 shape mods do look really good, but others, they don't quite look as good. Like there's this one, it doesn't really look like anything really, it just kind of looks partly scrambled. And I've tried the pattern on all of my 4x4 shape mods, but it never turns out looking good like this one. I'm sure there must be some 4x4 shape mods out there where this pattern would look good on them, but I don't actually have any. And then with 2x2 shape mods, I've tried this on a lot of my 2x2 shape mods, and it's the same kind of thing with the 4x4 shape mods. They don't really look that great, to be honest. But yeah, that is how you make a cube in a cube pattern. Try it out on some shape mods. You know, some of them do turn out looking really good. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching.